Hi class, it's Professor Electric. It's Michelle. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. I thought I'd take a couple minutes and I thought I'd just go through our week 3 assignment in a little bit more detail in case you have any questions. So I'm going to share my screen. Give me 1 second to get that going. All right, what you should see here is our week 3 assignment, and I just want to go through some of the critical aspects of the assignment so you know what you're getting in for. There's a lot of materials in this first part of the assignment to help you do the assignment. For example, please watch Keywords Are Critical. This is going to help you search the library's website and find an article that you need. Remember, you need a peer-reviewed scholarly journal article for your week 3 assignment. So you watch this video and then use the library to come up with your keywords. And what do I mean by that? To get to the library, you click on the Writing Center and Library link. From there, click on the Library tab. This should open up our library website. And it's really easy to use the library website to find a scholarly source. All you need to do is click on the scholarly peer-reviewed box. So check that off. That's step number 1. And then you just type in your keywords here. So keywords are basically the nouns in your research question. So if your research question was about the benefits and drawbacks of online dating, your keywords are benefits, drawbacks, and online dating. And that's what you would type in here. So you would do benefit and online dating, just as an example. And then you'd hit search. And that's how you essentially use the library. But if you, perfect. But that's just a quick guide. If you watch the Keywords Are Critical video, it will give you more insights on how to use the library. The other part of the assignment I want to point out to you is the Generating Search Terms worksheet. Now this worksheet is just to help you generate your search terms. You do not turn this one in. It's more to help you. What you are turning in is this one down here called the Locating Scholarly Articles template. This is the document you should have open, and this is the one you should be working with. Once you open it, it should look like this. Here you just type in your name. You type in my name here for the instructor and the date that you're going to turn this in, so today. And then on the second page, replace where it says research question, take all that away and just type in your research question. That's what you do there. And then here for your annotation 1, where it says reference, here's where you're going to type in your APA citation for your first scholarly resource that you found. So if you're using the library, like for example, here's my online dating, and I go, oh wow, this is a great article. Maybe I want to use this one. If you click on the title, like I have, it should open up the PDF. But if you look here on the left, you're going to see a, looks like a little document icon. It's actually the Cite button. And if you click on the Cite button and you go down to APA, it gives you the APA citation for this source. So a lot of the times the database will do the work for you. You just have to find it, copy it, and then here where it says APA citation, go ahead and type that in or copy it in. And you're going to see that we've got a couple of things to fix. For example, the last names here are all in capital letters, and we don't want that. We only want the T in Tong, for example, to be capitalized. So then I would go ahead and just change that so it's lowercase. And I would change Hancock and Slater as well, or Slatcher, excuse me, so that they're the right capitalization. After I've fixed that, you're going to double space. The easiest way to double space is to highlight your reference, right click, paragraph, and change the line spacing to say double. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, the keyboard shortcut for double spacing is literally Control-2. If you are using an Apple computer, it is the Command button and 2 as well. And that's going to double space. And the last thing you need to do for your reference citation is it needs a hanging indent. And what that means is that the first line is long and the next two lines are scooched in a ½ inch. So to do that, highlight your reference citation, and then the keyboard shortcut to do this is simply Control T. And as you can see, my first line is long and my other two lines have been scooched in a ½ inch. And this is what your citation should look like. Let me change this so it's Hancock and Slatcher. That's much better. And then here is where you'd write your annotation. And your annotation is a 2-paragraph summary that does these 4 things. So what I recommend doing is in your first paragraph, try to do these first 2 points. And in your second paragraph, you do the next 2. What you want is that by the end, your annotation is 2 paragraphs long and it covers these 4 points. Be very explicit here. When it says explain the purpose, I literally would like you to write the purpose of this article is to, and then you state the purpose, is to show how online dating has many consequences, is an example. Okay? And then you just do that twice. You find one other scholarly source, you provide me the APA reference citation, and then you write your annotation. When you are done, it should look like the sample given in the assignment. As you can see, it should have an APA citation followed by 2-paragraph summary. And you do that twice. Okay? That's an overview of the assignment. If you need help with APA because the APA citation just doesn't look right or you're confused and you need guidance, I strongly suggest in our class, if you click on the Writing Center and Library link, give it a second to load, you're going to notice that there's some helpful links here at the bottom. Okay? Definitely check out the formatting your reference list. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the Writing Center website. By the way, I help write this website, so I know it's very good. If you go down a little bit, scroll down, you're going to see these accordion buttons that if you open them up, they're going to show you how to cite things properly. So for this assignment, you need a peer-reviewed scholarly journal article. So we're looking for how to cite a journal article. So we need to open up the accordion that says online journal and news articles. From here, you just look up how to cite it. So it tells me I need the last name, the first initial, the year, the title of the article, the title of the journal, the volume number, the issue number, the page range, and the DOI. And the DOI, if you're wondering, is like an article's social security number. It's the special number that is assigned to the article, and only that article has that number. So if I know the DOI, I can easily find the article that you're referencing. So that's what a DOI is. So follow the structure and make sure it looks like the example given. For example, your journal title should be in italics, and it should have double space and a hanging indent. So if you need any more help with these kinds of formatting things, let me know. My main focus for this assignment is that you write a good annotation and that your sources are scholarly and they come from the library. Those are the big parts of this. I won't get too nitpicky about the APA. As long as you show that you are trying and you're covering the basics, I'll be very happy. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you're having a great night. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.